I got interested in nanotechnology because I wanted to make a difference in the world and progress science to a new level. It's this new emerging field in engineering where devices exist on the nanoscale, things that are approaching the size of atoms. At this scale, there's some new emerging phenomena that occur that have never been seen before, which can be utilized for engineers to create new devices. In my first year, I went to an orientation on electrical engineering hosted by Dr. Jonathan Holzman. During this orientation, he talked about all the amazing things that are happening here at UBC Okanagan. At the end of the session, I put up my hand and asked, is there anything about nanotechnology that's going on? And he said, yes, there is. In fact, I work in nanotechnology. You should come to my lab and check it out. And after seeing his lab and all the amazing equipment, 5 years later, he is now my PhD supervisor. I work in the area of fiber optics, specifically building new types of logic that can compute all optically as opposed to electronically. I'm basically taking fiber optics and putting it into your computer to do the logic and CPU components. The result of my research will be increasing the bandwidth of computers from gigahertz speeds to terabit per second speeds, which is 1,000 times greater. This type of advancement won't be in your computer tomorrow, but it's the building block to creating the next generation of technology, which you will see years down the road. When I first walked into Dr. Holzman's lab, I had this idea in my mind that I want to create a piece of technology that would fit on a pin needle. And that actually happened, and I can't believe that today I've actually built something that I've set out to do since first year. There are many research groups around the world that are working towards making the mythical all-optical computer. Specifically, our device is the whole package. It takes the architecture and makes it a monolithic integration of photonic nanojets and nanoparticles to create something that's coupled and easy to use. This means we can make optical logic that operates on femtojoule energies and is very inexpensive. Today, my team and I are on the leading edge of this research.